Vlog Life. If you're new to my channel, I'm Rashmi. If you're not yet subscribed, then subscribe, it's free. Subscribe Rashmis Vlog Life, it's free. After subscribed, click on bell notification button. In that option, select all to get notified every time. Thank you for watching and keep supporting me and my channel. Today's video is a Valentine's Day special edition video. This is expectations versus reality makeup tutorial. So I don't have time because this is the fourth video I'm shooting today. Not today, tonight. It's 8:50 and it's 14th Feb. You can see it. Come on camera, zoom it, zoom it. So it's 14th Feb, 8:50 p.m. This is the fourth video I'm shooting. You would have seen my you would have seen my morning video, which is homeless, providing food for homeless people. Next video, which is on the way, it will be uploaded very soon. Before this video, it will be uploaded, which is a small DIY gift handcrafted by myself. Cute DIY for gift card for underprivileged children. That will be the next video. The third video is Shein haul. This is the Shein dress, but by the way, this one is from Code from Lifestyle, and this dress is from Shein, and I'll be uploading that video later only because after getting ready, I'll be going out for dinner date with my husband. Then there I'll take a photo of this or a video of this dress, and then I'll be adding it to that video. But before the video, you'll be seeing this video. So this is the reality of Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I don't have time. See, it's 8:51. Since I don't have time, I have to go out, and I'm not going to do a hairstyle because I'll leave it to my mom so she can do it for me, because she's the one who's taking care of my hair for so many years. So she will take care of this today also. By the way, behind me so much of mess. I know it's mess. I have to clean it, but we are like hurry because my father's birthday is going to come. It's a 60th birthday. So we, in our family or in our tradition, we celebrate it like marriage. It's a Sashti Sapta, I don't know. I'll write down somewhere in the screen after asking my parents. So we were like very busy in inviting our family members, and major issue is my phone don't have network. My phone had a major network problem. The SIM card had some problem corrected. My SIM have some network problems, so I have to get a duplicate SIM, and I know I'm living without phone call, messages, nothing. Just whenever I'm getting internet, I'll be uploading a video. So yes, let me get into. I know I'm blabbering a lot. Okay, quick disclaimer to this video. This is not a sponsored video, and just by my side, I'm doing this video because to know the reality of makeup on Valentine's Day on night. Okay, let me get into this video. I'm prepping my face using a MAC Fix Plus. I'm showering it like numerously. Okay, let me leave it for a few seconds so it will absorb on my face. Then I can move on to the next step. So it dried. I just massaged. Remember guys, always massage your neck, ear also, so that you know you have to give importance to the ear and neck also, not only for the face. Okay, I'm using a Clinique Moisture Surge, and I'm going to take it. I'll be dipping my index finger and I'll be taking a few dots. I'll be dotting it all over my face. Remaining, I'll be applying it on my neck. I know I'm running late. I don't have time for applying so much fastly, so I have to get ready very fast. I'll be linking all my previous videos so you can see all the techniques, whatever I mentioned in it. I already prepped my lips using Biotin. I'm searching. This one is Biotic Bio White Whitening Lip Balm, and I love this because it's not opening. This this looks like what to say, bubblegum pink type, and it's a matte lip balm, which is, I love it because I love matte lip balms. I don't want a glossy one. I don't want to end up looking like a shiny lips. I want a glossy, I want a matte lip balm. Okay, I already prepped it. I'm taking, as usual, a Smashbox Halo Hydrating Loose Powder. All you have to do is just rotate this box. You'll get the loose powder. And I'm going to dab it all over my face using a sponge or a puff. By the way, I'm looking at the monitor because I'm in a dilemma whether this is recording or not. That's why. I mean, it's recording properly or not. So I've noticed after recording all my today's video on the morning, then only I saw, okay, I'm looking at only at the monitor, not at the lens. I'm taking a plum kajal and I'm going to quickly tightline my eyes. I'm taking Maybelline Colossal Liner. So I made the wing eyeliner, not exactly a wing eyeliner, but I think it's a hooded eyeliner. What I'll do is I'll reconnect this. I'm taking Benefit Their Real Mascara and I'm quickly coat this on my lashes. I'm gonna concentrate only on upper lash. I don't want to concentrate on my lower lash. Same technique. I'm gonna give a single coat to fix this. I use this Shampoo Their Powder Matte Lipstick as a as a liner, and I will apply this because this is a nude lipstick. Always I mix my lipstick. I have a dilemma whether to wear red or a pink because it's kind of a pinkish red, but I don't know what to wear. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to dab this. So this one is matte as hell crayon, Scarlet O'Hara. The shade name is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dab this red. So that's it. This is the expectation. This is a reality makeup tutorial. I think I made it within a few minutes because I'm running late. So I took few minutes to get ready, and this is the finished look. I made a eyeliner. It's not a wing eyeliner, but it's kind of a hooded eyeliner. And then I paired up with the mixing of lipsticks. That's it. I'm not going to use any highlighter, blush or contour, nothing. Just a simple makeup because I'm running out of time. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. If you like my channel, then subscribe, it's free. And comment below for upcoming video suggestions. Share it with everyone. And thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. And have a great day. Bye-bye. This reality versus today's video is a Valentine's Day special. This is expectation versus Today's video is a Valentine's Day special. This is expectations with DIY Queen.